Now today we are going to the set part 3. Now in this part we are discussing about the some mathematical problems. Now let's say the question is given. What the question is given? A is a set having the element 2 and 4. Clear? And B is a set where X is an element and X is a solution of x square plus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now the question is given, are A and B disjoint set? No answer. Solving x square plus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now x square plus 4x plus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. What we do, that middle term factor, that is x plus 4 plus 2x plus 4. Now x plus 4 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 4, x is equal to minus 2. Now set A is an element 2 comma 4 and set B is an element of minus 2 comma minus 4. Now they are asking the disjoint set. Disjoint set means number of element may be same. Number of element may be same, but there is no common element. So what we write that? Write the statement clearly. A and B is are disjoint as they do not have any common element. Now, this is the main thing. They do not have any common element. Clear? So disjoint set we have writing that these are the disjoint set. Now, question number second we are solving. Question number 2. If set A and X is the element, X is a vowel of English alphabet. Okay, and B is a set where Y is the element, where Y belongs to N. N means set of natural number, and condition Y less than is equal to 5. Okay, now question is number 1. A is equal to B. This means equals, and 2 A equivalent B. Okay. Now what you do the answer? Set A, E, I, O, U, and set B is set up all natural number. Very importantly, see that set up all natural number. So start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see that both have 5 elements, but they do not have any common element. So how we write that? Each set is having 5 elements, but elements are different. So therefore A not is equal to B, but A equivalent to B. Clear? This is question number 2. Now question number 3. which of the following set. Now those two sets is given A, where X is the element, X is irrational, and x square minus is equal to 0. Clear? And there is a set B, where x is an element, where x belongs to Z, and minus 2 less than x less than 2. Now the question is that which is empty set? Okay. Now for set A, for set A, given that elements are irrational. Clear? Now solving, x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So that is x square is equal to 1, which gives that x is equal to plus minus 1. Now over here, x is basically, so x is equal to plus minus 1 is a integers, that is Z, not irrational. Okay. Therefore, set A is empty set. Okay. Now for B, what are the elements? Now for B, what are the elements are there? For B, for set B, set B is the element of minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 2. So B is 5, integer. Clear? So B is not empty set. Clear? So B is not empty set. Now question, which one is singleton set? Now two set is given. A is a set where X is an element, where X belongs to Z and X minus 2 is equal to 0. And B is a set where X is the element and Y belongs to real number and Y square minus 2 is equal to 0. Now answer, solving X minus 2 is equal to 0, that means X is equal to 2 and 2 is also integer. So as is a set which is 2 is the only one element. So A is singleton set. Again solving Y square minus 2 is equal to 0. Then Y square is equal to 2. Y is equal to plus minus root 2. But so B having the element and root 2 is real number. Now B having the set of plus root 2 minus root 2, it has two elements. So B is not singleton set. Clear? The question is, which one is singleton set? Now this is the preliminary and the most effective concept building on the different type of set. Is this clear? Now this is the part 3. On the part 2, before the part 2, we just understand about the different type of sets. And in the part 1, we have learned about the some symbols and abbreviation of the set. Okay. Now this is all about up to that. In the next part, we are basically gone through the subset, superset, Venn diagram and all these things. Okay. Thank you for a day. Thank you.